ancient rocks, valleys, your spirit vexed by malady, tourist-stained apathy, unaware of your melody, old rooms forgotten now, dry stone remains, gulf winds of Mexico that soften your plains. They don't know your sky once was blue, when ice of ages was pressing down on you. Figures in a landscape, they tread on your history, echoes of banshee